everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today on Keith's Customs, we're going to be putting in some Weather Tech floor mats that Santa brought for my girlfriend for her BMW X3. These are supposed to be pretty good all-weather mats. They're made in the USA, which is cool. So it's starting to snow a little bit here in Wisconsin. So we thought, well, better to get these in now than later. All right, so let's put them in. All right. Get these old ones out of here. Huh? We'll have to do a full vacuuming later. This must be the driver's side. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay. Trial fitment. It looks pretty good. So you use these little clips. These little clips here. And they go right into here. They have like a little T on the back of it that matches the new clip. These are for the original ones. So you put them in with the arrow facing forward, and you just do a quarter turn. Just like that. And we'll file those. Okay, I need another clip. I like Weather Tech stuff. They seem to make pretty good products. I think we've all seen their commercials with the dog bowls and the cell phone holders that go in your console. There we go. All right, let's go over and do the other side. Get this done. We probably should have had this done before it snowed, but we're in Wisconsin. Okay, so the same thing on this side. So I'll get this out of here. Old crappy stock ones. Same procedure on this side. Take out the factory. Just twist them a quarter turn. Come right out. And you put your new ones. Put your new ones in with the arrow facing forward. There we go. Just kind of clips in, goes underneath that molding right there that's on this little net piece, and you're all good now to keep out the bad weather. We also have the back one across the back here. This just kind of sits in here, goes across the center, double on the other side. It's really starting to snow now. Okay. Like that. Kind of contoured fit. Just kind of work it down in there. And like this, it has this that covers the center two here. The transmission hump. There. That's all good. Easy to maintain and clean. And keeps your carpeting nice. So that was easy to install. We're gonna put her back in the garage now so she doesn't get all full of snow. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a Happy New Year. And as always, have a good one.